You do not need to be told when something feels good. You can feel it in the way a body softens, in the way someone breathes differently, in the way they pause, reach, or melt just a little deeper. Touch is a conversation, but not always a verbal one. The body speaks through tension, through shivers, through where it leans in and where it pulls away. This is part 1 of our series on how to touch someone right. Part 2 is all about your hands, how to use them with intention, rhythm, and care. And in part 3, we will explore how to tell if it actually feels good for them and for you. So make sure you subscribe now, if you want to learn how to give and receive touch that actually connects. Before we go deeper, make sure to subscribe to Secret Pleasure Lab. This is your space for honest and inclusive conversations about intimacy, the body, and how we connect. No shame, no pressure, no pretense. New videos every Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Want to support us but do not want anyone to know you subscribed? No problem. Just head to your YouTube privacy settings and check Keep My Subscriptions Private. We will never know, but we will still love you for it. What should you pay attention to first? Breath. Always breath. Is it steady, shallow, or deepening with each touch? Notice the pace of their breathing. Notice if it catches or drifts or syncs with yours. Breath is how the nervous system whispers, yes, maybe, please slow down. What do eyes and shoulders say? Look at their eyes. Do they stay with you, close slowly, or flicker away? Do their shoulders rise with tension or sink with ease? Even closed eyes can speak when paired with a relaxed mouth, a softened brow, and the kind of stillness that says, I feel safe right now. What about hips and hands? If someone's hips press closer or their hands explore back, that is a yes. Their body is saying, stay here. Just like that. But if hips pull back, if their hands flatten or go still, if the energy shifts even a little, that is the body saying, pause. Check in. Maybe hold me differently. How do you listen without asking? Let your hands become quiet. Let them notice texture, temperature, pulse. Let your eyes soften. Let your breath stay slow. Listening without asking does not mean ignoring consent. It means tuning in so that when you do ask, you already know what to ask about. What is the real takeaway? You do not need magic hands. You need presence. You do not need a new move. You need to listen better. The body is always speaking. The question is, are you paying attention? Follow Secret Pleasure Lab for more intimacy tools, body wisdom, and touch that actually feels good. And remember, part 2 is next. How to use your hands with purpose and care. And part 3 explores how to know if it feels good, not just physically, but emotionally too. Subscribe so you do not miss what comes next.